Surprise natin kay kuya pagdating niya, meron na. Pero alam niya na. Alam niya na meron na siya. Kasi nga, need niya to sa kanyang school. Iwan muna namin siya tonight kasi nga isi-set up pa siya. It will take like 1 hour and more. Kaya lang, magko-close sila ng before 10, so hindi aabot. So tomorrow, kukunin natin siya after work ni Tony. Then, ayun, yun nga. Na-install na siya. So, ayun. Kailangan niya kasi sa school. And, ayun. Thank you din kay Sir Dam kasi pinagamit niya yung kanyang pay later. Yan. For Adam. Para hindi kami mabigla ng isahan. Medyo meron tayong pagitan ng payment. Kasi marami pa tayong hinaharap na gastusin this coming month. So, help us Lord. Yun na talaga. Kapit lang dasal. Kasi marami tayong obligation at mga need na bayaran talaga. So, ganun talaga. Nandito tayo sa Joliet Old Airport. Hello guys! Continuation of our vlog. Time check, 1:05 a.m.
Hindi, ano pa lang yan, magwa-1 pa lang.
Magwa-1 a.m.
Advance.
So, today's vlog is a happy vlog! Yee! Palakpakan! Makikita ko na yung kamukha ko. Yung enemy ko. Yun. Makikita ko na si Kuya. Yee-hee! Susundo na kami guys. The Balmaceda family is back to 4. Yay! Yan. Enjoy natin ang 2 months. So marami kayong makikitang vlog na magkakasama kaming 4. So ito na yon. This is it. Yes, abangan natin si Kuya sa vlog na to, ha? Yahoo, yahoo!
So, hi guys. Nasa Vilnius na ako right now. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog sa on the way to here kasi I was catching a train. So, ayun, nandito na ako and I'll be going na sa airport. I'll be booking Bolt going sa airport. So, ayun, I'll vlog it from now hanggang sa pag-stay ko sa Istanbul and hope you guys enjoy. Naka-arrive na ako sa airport guys. At yung departure area. Yung whole place. There. There. Ayan. I'll go try to see if pwede na ako mag-check-in. May bread guys, tapos mayroong mga sweets and mga vegetable din. Here. Ayan yung bar. And then, I think ito na yung dulo ng down check. After ng bar nito. ako sa Hamad Airport. Hindi na ako masyadong naka-update kasi nga pretty hectic siya dun sa Istanbul Airport. But yeah, punta na ako sa baggage claim and yeah, mamaya makikita ko na sila mama. Sila Iram, sila Papa. See you guys.
Yung camera ko. Hey guys, to the airport there. The beautiful Hamad International Airport. Nice the airport here, no? Only in Qatar. That's why we love Qatar. Last bank was the hard code.
Kasi Iram. Para sa Iram eh. Bro, it was good man.
Okay na. Good. Guys, Kuya is back after 10 months. Yahoo, yahoo. Kasa si Kuya?
Binalik po yung ano.
Ha? Nasaan si Kuya? Yee, Kuya is back.
I believe it.
Kuya. Back to Doha after 10 months. Ayan, pauwi kami guys.
Namiss mo daw, Adam?
Na-miss mo? Home sweet home. Welcome back. Ayan, oh. Meron siyang yung request siyang shawarma. Tapos dinagdagan namin ng iiram ng biryani chicken. Chicken biryani.
Thank you, bro.
Mm.
May nag-ano na rin kayo. Nag-table mat na rin kayo.
Yeah. Ay, bakit nung dumating ka? Wala ba dito? Oh, ano ba? Oh, yan. Your laptop is here na, oh. Gusto mo na buksan? Okay. Ito yung kanyang maleta. At saka the small one. Ano? Let's open the aircon. Na-miss niya. Na-miss niya yung shawarma. Bakit? Ako fries. Inom pala akong gamot. Alam mo yun, Nitam?
He's like a baseball closer. He would get it done. So I'm curious to
Nag-thank you
see
na siya,
what he would be
guys.
like. If he wants to win a championship, the Spurs. is the
Happy
best
ka, kuya?
Listen, you got a ready-made team
New
on the floor,
laptop
right?
for
If it's
your,
playing meaningful basketball, you know you can't do that.
Kasi yan, need ng
All right, come on, put him out.
malakasan kasi AutoCAD na.
Sa simulation ako.
And it's another team likely in the history with the Miami Heat. Of course, we know, of course, from finals appearances, the two championships.
Nice.